I mean, yeah. You can't see anything at all. What's up, and welcome back to another foggy, can't see a single thing morning. We are gonna try and catch some walleye early, wait till the fog lifts, head down river, and hit some new shoreline stretches for some giant pike. Between me and Arnie, we need to catch a 40-incher. So hopefully we get some time to do that. We catch our eating walleye quickly so we can hunt for big pike. Stick with us, stay tuned, and let's get them. Well, we went in a big circle because it's so foggy we couldn't even see anything. But between our eagle that sits at our spot and seeing a glimpse of light that looked like the sun, we were able to find our spot. I mean, I don't know. We got lucky, but we're in our walleye spot, so we're gonna try to catch some fish.
Good morning.
And yeah, say good morning, Arnie.
Good morning, everybody. The Fog Boys.
Yeah, we're the Fog Boys. So we're pretty much gonna stay here until the fog lifts because we don't really have a choice. So let's see if there's some good walleye, maybe a giant pike even while we're walleye fishing. Who knows? But stick with us, and this is going to be an adventure. All right, I'm starting out with the jig today, and if that don't really work, I'll try the slip bobber setup again. But I have a feeling this will work. Fog is starting to lift, bro. I can see the shore across the river now. 5 minutes ago, we couldn't. What's that? Yep. And they're going downstream. They're brave, dude. No, I'm casting out and just kind of drifting across but I'm on the bottom, so. Oh, I had one, dude. Oh, I had one like right in front of us. I'm gonna be on the bottom, so don't worry about me. It's right here. It's straight down. It's going like straight down, yep. Oh, is it? That might be a walleye, dude. No, that run, yeah, that run is unmistakable. Yeah, we're in closer to shore. We're a little closer to shore than we usually are, which is fine because we'll get more action from other fish as well, you know. He's an angry little sucker. Oh wait, dude.
I'll play with him.
I got one. Oh, and he got off again. Damn it. Arr, caramba. I got pillaged. It's alright. I'll go back for him. Dude, I told you we were going to have a good day, man. I told you. It didn't take long. Alright.
Not a bad one.
Not bad. That would be an eater. Alright, first fish of the day. Didn't take long. We've been out here like 5 minutes. I had 3 walleye strike and miss. I put my rod down to help him. I heard my rod almost get pulled off the boat. But hey, it's happening. I need to get another minnow now so I can catch an eater. I would say he's 22 to 24. Just eyeballing him.
just about 27.
27? Oh,
26 and a half.
yeah, and he's curved a little, so he's like almost 28.
We're
Nice.
not saving anything for
You
Steve.
no. Let him swim,
You're going.
and one day he gonna come back a 40-incher.
That's different from yesterday where I got shit.
No, that's what I'm saying. Today's gonna be a good day. I said it this morning. I knew it. I felt it. I got whacked by walleye already, and we were here 5 minutes. I actually want the fog to stay at this point,
Oh yeah.
because it's not. The fish are going to be hammering because it's not sunny. All right, I got a bite again. This time I'm going to wait a little bit. That time he's not getting away. Let's go. Golden crispy. Golden crispy. Golden crispy. Golden crispy number 1.
Dinner.
Yeah, buddy.
That's either size.
The process begins, bro.
That's what we're here for.
Yep.
It's about, what, 17?
It's like, no. It's like the normal, the 14s that we've been getting. Minnow stealer.
No, your middle fell. It's on your glove.
Oh, yeah, I see it there. Yep, 14 and a half. Can you fill the live well up, bro?
Yeah. Let me get the cast in before they
Right on. Just when you get a moment. Scene is 15 and a half. Which, that's all right. I mean, he's got a, you know, with 4 guys, a 4 fish limit per guy, 3 fish for you. That's enough fish, even if they're all 14 inches, for us to eat good. We found that out yesterday.
Yeah. Is there a minimum legal size limit? You know?
A minimum?
Over so many inches?
I don't think there's a minimum. But it's like the fact that we can feed 4 guys with 9, feed us well with 9 14 inchers. There's no reason to keep something bigger, because I see those as our future here. Come on, little eaters. I got one. That feels like a nicer one too. Ooh, that feels like a nice one, dude. That might be closer to 18. Could be wrong. Yeah, I'm wrong. But he's still a eater. He's still eater material.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Drip a little bit. Okay.
Thank you, sir. I knew that was going to happen too.
Yeah, they know how to spike you.
They do. Wow. Alright, they're biting pretty quick, dude. The walleye are biting very quick. I mean, I wasn't down there very long, and he was on. 14 again. That's an eater, all right.
You're down on the bottom?
Yeah. Tube jigging on the bottom. I want to see you catch fish. Up, up, up. Oh, that's a nice one, dude.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah. Ooh, dude, that one feels hefty. That one feels hefty, bro. Oh, he's running, dude. That's a hefty one, bro. If it's not a pike. No, that's an eater, dude. Oh, dude, that's a big one. That might not be an eater. He might be too big. Yeah, he might be too big. Although I haven't seen an 18 in a while. That might be 18, dude.
Well, it could be.
That looks like an 18 to me.
At least.
We'll find out. That's a nice walleye, dude. Hell yes, dude. They're banging today, dude. Every cast, I've pretty much sorry. Here. Every cast that I haven't gotten snagged, I've caught a fish, dude. Every single cast. That's a nice walleye right there, dude.
I'd say he's at least 18.
He's probably 20. Let's go, man. The fog is helping me with walleye. I'm convinced. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. I think he's too big to keep though. Yeah. He's 22. I'm letting him go because we don't need to eat him. This mama can produce for us. No reason to keep it.
Okay.
Sweet. All right, man. They're on today, dude. I hope this.
You want a picture with your camera?
Nah. I want the fog to stay, man. Look at that. It's beauteous. Hell yeah, bro. Alright. Let's do that again. Walleye are on fire. If you don't catch one quick on that jig or on the slip bobber, I would say jig because I'm whacking them on the jig right now. But we never know until you try it, right? I would say cast over this way. Yeah, cast it that way and let it drift. Oh, damn it. Damn it, dude. Took my eye off the ball for a second. And hit the freaking snag. Did I just pull it off? God bless it. How many of my jigs are down there on that edge, dude? There's a gold mine of lures down there on that rock edge, dude.
Wood bottom.
It's for real, dude. There's probably 1,000 lures down there. Gonna re-rig. All right, Nick. Let's not catch the rock wall again this time, huh? Playing it safe, keeping my cast shorter. I think where we're positioned right now, we're so close. Yeah, dude, you got something on. He's just not swimming away with it. It's probably a big pike, dude. Where we're positioned right now, we're so close to the outer edge that you can just put it right down off the bottom, off the boat pretty much. And catch him. I got another one. Ooh, that feels like a good one, dude. That feels like a good one. Ooh, that's a big fish, dude. That's another big one, dude. He's running, dude. That's another big walleye, man. That's a 20. That's over 20 easily. Easily. Yeah, dude. That's a big wall. If it's not a pike, it's a big walleye. Yes, dude. This is freaking epic. This is freaking epic, dude. He's not coming up. Look, he's just dogging it. That might be a pike, man. I hope it's not. He's not coming up, though, dude.
Well, play him. Keep playing him.
He's going this way. That might be a... That's a nice pike, dude. It's a nice pike. On my 6-pound test, fluorocarbon, fishing for wallies, dude. He's a beast. I don't know quite how big, but on this rod, we're pushing the limits. He's over 30, I think. Oh, boy. Oh, he's like close to 30. Here, come over this side. Just don't.
Anchor rope.
No, I know. Just don't break me off. Go, go, go. He's trying to go out. Oh! We had an opportunity. Oh, don't break me off. Oh. All right, here he comes. Get ready. Get him. Oh, it's all right. We might need the bigger net, dude. He's not a monster, but for this rod,
Yeah, you gotta let him.
there's nothing I can do about it. This rod ain't made for this. I'm gonna need to net him myself, dude. This is taking way too long. There, get him, dude. Ah, give me the net, dude. I'll get him with this one. There we go. Jeez. Talk about getting dogged by a pike, man. Jeez Louise. That was crazy. Every time you went to grab him, he was like, nope, I'm out of here, dude. Sorry. All right, dude. Well, catching a big pike on my walleye rod, man. That's always fun. Freaking guy. Oh, I'm right in the corner of my mouth, dude. He was ready to break me off. But we got lucky. And he didn't. Oh, God. Yeah, buddy. Look at that pike, folks. It's a beautiful fish right there.
All right.
Hold on.
Nick the piker does it again.
Yes, he does. Doing what we do.
Okay.
See how big he is. 31 almost.
Almost.
30. It's a 30-incher, baby. Take it.
That's fun, huh?
Yeah, dude. He's tired from that battle we had. There he goes.
Yeah, he really wanted to get away. He went around the boat how many times?
Yeah, when I catch a pike 30 and above on my little rod like that, there's nothing you can do but just let him take his course until he's done.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, I set my drag loose enough
So when they run, they take line so that they don't.
Otherwise,
You'll break.
you could be broken off.
I'm wondering if that's the same one that broke me off on the last cast. Remember I said as soon as I went to set the hook, it was gone. Wondering if that was him. I didn't see another jig in his mouth. But either way, whew, that was an exercise right there, man. All right, well, did not expect a 30-inch pike fishing for walleye. Well, kind of do, but I'll take it.
You put him on that rig.
Huh?
You put him on that light rig.
I know. They're so fun on a small rod. I was just looking at the amount of line I have, like, oh no. It was in the corner, so I got lucky. I got one. Feels like another nice wally. Nice eater wally. That one feels bigger than the other ones, dude. Yeah, he's definitely bigger than the other ones. That might be close to 16, dude. 16 to 18. Yeah. That's more like it, dude. That's an 18.
Yeah.
That's an 18, bro. It's got to be an 18.
Yeah, I would say so. I would say so.
It's close. Maybe 17? Yes, dude. That's the kind of eaters we want. He's 18, bro. 18 out of luck. It's the first 18-incher I've seen in a while, dude.
Yeah.
So they're out there. I'm gonna try casting this way once. See what's over here. Got one. Got another one, dude. Oh, you got off. Oh, I lost him. Felt like a nice one too, dude. He's on a bigger walleye. Oh yeah, dude, that might be too big. It might be 20, dude.
It must be 20. That's a fatty.
That's a 20. Yeah, that's bigger than 18, dude. It's probably 22. It's probably 22. I'd say. Oh, just by eyeballing it. Ow, don't cut me. Big. Yeah, I was right. It's 22.
You get a
Good
picture.
picture.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, we're gonna release him.
Yeah. We don't need to keep her. We need her to keep making big ones for us. I just got to move it a little quicker, I guess. I've been struggling the past hour with snagging over and over. The big ones came into our spot today, though, man. There we go. Finally, I got through without snagging. Feels like another decent one. Thank you, sir. That's at least 16. That might be 16. Just eyeballing it. Another nice eater walleye. Yeah.
17.
17, dude. Yes. Did I just get broken off again, dude? Oh, God. Dude, that wasn't even... I think I got broken off by a pike again, dude, because it was like I got a bite and I went to set the hook. It wasn't a snag. I went to set the hook and it was gone, dude. That was like he didn't even...
Real fast.
Yeah, I didn't even have a chance to feel any tension. It was just gone. Jeez.